Welcome to our geometry lesson. Today, we are going to explore the different parts of a prism. Specifically, we will learn how to identify the bases and the lateral faces. Understanding these parts is essential for finding surface area and volume later on. First, let's define what a prism actually is. A prism is a three-dimensional solid object. Its most important feature is that it has two identical ends. If you were to slice the prism anywhere parallel to these ends, the cross-section would look exactly the same. It also has flat sides that connect these two ends together. Now let's talk about the bases. The bases are the two identical faces we just mentioned. They are parallel to each other, meaning they never touch. These bases are polygons, which means they can be triangles, rectangles, squares, or any other straight-sided shape. Even if a prism is lying on its side, these two polygon ends are always called the bases. An easy way to identify a prism is by looking at its base. The shape of the base gives the prism its name. For example, if the base is a triangle, we call it a triangular prism. If the base is a rectangle, it is a rectangular prism. And if the base is a hexagon with 6 sides, it is a hexagonal prism. Next, let's look at the lateral faces. The word lateral simply means side. These are the flat faces that connect the two bases together. Think of them as the walls of the prism that wrap around the bases. What shape are these lateral faces? In a right prism, which is a prism that stands straight up, all the lateral faces are rectangles. Even if the base is a triangle or a pentagon, the sides connecting them will always be rectangular. This is a key property to remember. Prisms have different types of edges. The edges that go around the top and bottom polygons are called base edges. The vertical edges that connect the top base to the bottom base are called lateral edges. These lateral edges represent the height of the prism. Speaking of height, the height of a prism is defined as the perpendicular distance between the two bases. In a right prism, the length of any lateral edge is equal to the height. We usually use the letter h to represent this measurement. Not all prisms stand up straight. A right prism has bases that are aligned directly one over the other, and its lateral faces are rectangles. An oblique prism looks like it is leaning over. Its bases are still parallel, but its lateral faces are parallelograms instead of rectangles. Let's summarize what we have learned. A prism has two identical, parallel bases. The shape of these bases determines the prism's name. The sides connecting the bases are called lateral faces, and in a right prism, they are rectangular. Finally, the height is the distance between the two bases.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.